Sometimes we just want things to work, right? To do as they read on the label over and over again without fail. If you want a sauna that you can hop in, sweat, hop out, time and time again, day in, day out, then the iHealth Sauna Lite range is for you. The iHealth Lite range will make you sweat. No frills, no fuss, just beautiful infrared sauna. At iHealth Saunas, our mission is to provide healthy lifestyles a platform to live continuously healthy from. And with the Lite range, we've brought the iHealth Sauna feel and experience to everyone. So how did we do that? Well, we started with the heaters. In the Lite range, we use the same heaters as the premium range. These are the same heaters we've been using to help Aussies optimize their health, reduce pain, lose weight, sleep better for over a decade now. These heaters emit 7,000 to 10,000 nanometer wavelength of safe, soothing, far infrared light. Then we put a Bluetooth sound system in so you can stream your favorite podcast or listen to some music while you're sweating it out. And then we put it all together in this form factor which will look good in any home setting for years to come. The iHealth Lite range is made using 45-day kiln-dried Canadian hemlock timber, connected using a beautiful 3mm V-joint and held together with clips. Our carbon footprint is important too, so to keep production emissions low, we've used a special technique to apply this outer layer of timber protection. The iHealth Lite range is best suited indoors. Think garage, think spare bedroom or bathroom. It can be assembled on any flat surface, so carpet, tiles, floorboards, and because we bring the panels in one by one, it can go upstairs or downstairs. The Lite range comes in two models, the 2-person Lite and the 3-person Lite. The 2-person Lite is 1.2 meters wide and the 3-person Lite is 1.45 meters wide. I'm currently sitting in a 3-person Lite and there is plenty of room for me to stretch out. To give you some context, I'm 178 centimeters tall. If you're someone who likes to sit upright whilst they're having a good sweat, keep in mind that in the Lite range, it can be a little bit cooler at the bottom than it is up the top. So if you like having warm feet during all of your sauna sessions, maybe consider the premium range. Both saunas are really powerful, however the heat up times can vary depending on how cold it is. If it's 20 degrees, both the 2-person and the 3-person Lite have no issues getting to 55 within 30 to 35 minutes. However, if it's quite cold in the room, expect the heat up times to be a little bit longer, between 45 and 60 minutes, and that's perfectly normal. With all the iHealth saunas, you can preset your sauna to turn on in advance, so it'll be nice and warm for you exactly when you want it. The 2-person Lite is rated at 1,720 watts, and the 3-person Lite is rated at 2,120 watts. They both plug into a normal home power point and are built to Australian electrical safety standards. The Lite range come with a 2-year warranty, which covers the timber, the electricals, and the heaters. However, you can upgrade to a lifetime heater warranty, 5-year cabinet, and 5-year electrical warranty for an extra $500. To keep your Lite sauna nice and clean, I recommend putting a towel on the seat and a towel on the floor. That way, when you're sweating it out, you sweat into the towels, and then you can take them out, put them in the wash, and the timber will stay looking nice for a long time. If you want to add some extra comfort to your Lite sauna, add a backrest or a footstool to your purchase, and then that way you'll be swinging it out in comfort for years to come. The iHealth Lite range makes infrared sauna simple. Turn it on, sweat it out, and go. No frills, no fuss, just beautiful infrared sauna.